Greetings to you all in Jesus' name. I humble myself before God for giving me this privilege to share my visions and my experience with you. Well, my name is Sentikumla, founder, director, Youth Alike Society. Today, I want to share with you my visions, what God has given me more than 40 years ago. When I was working as a missionary teacher in Arunachal, God showed me a vision. That is, sowing seeds in the land of Naga, Myanmar. Then I was just going around Naga, Myanmar, sowing seeds. Then I was just, I cannot understand what is that. I'm sowing seeds in Naga, Myanmar. I can't understand. But more than 40 years, it came to reality. Now, I'm working with Naga, Myanmar people. Instead of going, those Saigang region people, they are coming to Nagaland. That is also my village, Molungkimong. Then we have started programs, detoxification, rehabilitation, holistic ministry, and it is so interesting. Almost 1 month it takes time for the detoxification and bit of rehabilitation. Then we start teaching basic education like 1, 2, 3, ABCD, how to read and write. In such a way, they came to know how to read and write, and slowly they really grow, they really improve. And my vision is one day they will be local leaders. They will be great leaders, reformers, changing agents. That's how my visions came to reality after many years. Thank you. I'll be sharing again in the next video. Please subscribe